Hello friends, welcome to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and this is my next video in Python tutorial series. In this video, I will be going to demonstrate you how to perform a web scraping in Python. There are multiple functions available in Python to perform web scraping. So I'm going to explain you all the web scraping functions one by one in different separate videos. So in this video, I will be going to tell you how can we open a web browser by passing a parameter to that particular function from a Python command prompt. Or basically my requirement is I would like to get the location address from the user, and based on the location entered by the user, I would be going to display that location on a Google map. So let me explain you that. For example, at present I'm on New Delhi right now, and you can see the address here is new plus Delhi plus, and that's the code. So I'm going to use this code, or if you want to have a look, we can look for Gurgaon as well. So it's Gurgaon plus Haryana plus, that's the code. So by using this particular address, I'm going to pass this particular address as a argument by using web browser function, and then based on that it will automatically loads it will automatically open a Google map in a separate browser. So let me explain you this through an example. So for example, let's suppose I simple open a command prompt and I switch to Python interpreter, and here first I import web browser. So if this web browser package not available, if it shows an error message, you need to, by using pip installer, by using pip install command, you need to install this web browser function. So I've already installed this package. So I pass here web browser dot open, and I write https www dot google dot com slash maps slash places, sorry, place slash, and I want this one Gurgaon plus Haryana plus this one. So I copy paste this address, paste here, and run it. So as you can see here, as soon as I press enter here, I just complete the command and press enter, and as soon as I press enter, it will redirect to that particular location. It opens that particular location in Google Map. Now here in this example, I pass the parameter, I pass the values as a static value. So every time I run this command, every time it will redirect me to the same location. So instead of this, I would like it would be a dynamic value, and I want the location to be get input from user as an argument. So in order to do that, I'm going to create one Python file. So let's create one Python program. So I'll use the Python editor and control N. So I'm going to write the code here. I'm going to create this Python script, and then from command prompt, I'm going to execute this script. So here I write import web browser comma system for getting the input from the user, and pi per clip. Then I check that if user did not pass any argument. So if user forgot to pass any argument, then it will open the default location. So length sys dot argv if it is greater than 1, if means if it is blank. Oh sorry, if it is not blank, then I create one new variable, address is equal to dot. So whatever is the current address we are going to pass, so join and sys dot argv, and the argument we are going to pass, then else address is equal to paperclip clip paperclip dot paste. So it will pass the default address, and then web browser dot open http www.google.com/maps/place/plus address. That's all. Sorry about this. It's not a Java, so I remove that semicolon. It is not required. That's all. So I'll save this, and I'm going to save this on my D drive. So I simple save it on my D drive. So desktop, and I get onto my D drive, and I write here sampleweb.py. So the name is sampleweb.py. Save it. Now let's get to the command, and cls redirect to D drive, and I am going to write a command. So I run python sampleweb.py. That's the name of the file, sampleweb.py. And along with this, along with this, I need to pass the address. So I pass the address Gurgaon plus plus 122,001. So let me show you one thing. For example, you can see here right now my map is redirecting to New Delhi, and in my URL I type a command here, python sampleweb.py. In double quotes, I pass an argument Gurgaon plus Haryana plus and the pin code, and as soon as I press enter, it will redirect to that particular location. So whatever location I'm going to provide, it will redirect to that particular link. For example, instead of this, if I pass new plus York, new plus, it will search for that location, and if it is possible, it will redirect to that particular location. So you can see it took me to that it redirect me to that particular location automatically. So if you are not sure about the pin codes, you can directly pass the name as well, and the Google map, it will automatically search for that location and redirect to that particular place. So that's all in this video, in the first series of web scraping. In next series, we'll be going to see how to read the data from an HTML page and perform some operations on that. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.vsptrainings.com. For more videos on Python, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, or you can connect with us for the customized training on Python. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.